we're at the wayside. There's our view, you guys. So this worked out. Nice. I really like this spot. Alright. Hey guys, so we're at the laundromat and I met a subscriber. I love that. So I walked into the laundromat and I heard a lady who was sitting down say, "Where's Sophie Doyle?" And at first my brain didn't register. And I thought, oh, she must know Sophie from YouTube. So I love that. So here's the thing though, I have had some people from YouTube, subscribers, viewers, who have wanted to meet up. And I was gonna do a video about how I don't schedule things. I don't schedule things with anybody because I never know how my brain's gonna be. And I won't be around people. I will not be around, not even grocery clerks. I won't go out into the world when I'm 60% or down, when I'm not articulate, I can't process information. I don't know what you're saying. I don't know what I'm saying. I'll only be with people who know me. I would love to meet up with people. I would love to meet up with subscribers. If I didn't have a head injury, I definitely would say, hey, come on, let's talk, let's have lunch. Well, not lunch, but a burger. But that's the situation, and I feel bad, and I should probably do a video and let people know I'd love to meet you guys, but I can't schedule a meetup, especially if someone's driving over to see me. If my brain's down, I'm not gonna be able to do it, you know. So it was very exciting. Okay, so this is behind the laundromat. Look at that cute little greenhouse. That's one of my dreams. My other dreams bucket list is a homestead, off-the-grid homestead. So, and then look at that garden there. And I thought, oh, cool. It's a church. And I thought, I've always thought this, like, why do we have lawns in this country? People are watering lawns. If you think outside the box, think outside the programming, we're watering grass. For what? For cosmetics. There are people in countries starving to death, and they would probably come over here and think, they would say, why are you planting? You know, you get rain, you have water, why are you not growing your own food? And this baffles me. I feel like we have gotten accustomed to a style of living that is forces us to rely on a system, you know, forces us to purchase everything. We've lost self-reliance, and those things were passed down. Repairing our own clothes and things like that, making your own, a lot of, you know, making your own. There's a lot of DIY now, and there's a whole movement on DIY and making your own detergent, making your own, I don't know, stuff. Sorry, my brain's going down, but I'm still like, I have a point here. So the thing is self-reliance. We've lost self-reliance, and this just makes me happy to see. And I just thought, I think everybody should start thinking outside the box. Like, why are we conditioned not to grow our own food? Can you imagine? Imagine there's no country. Imagine, people. Imagine I had a dream. All right, let's go see the clothes, honey. Where's my honey? Come on, girl. Yay! She's like, no, yay. Where's my beach? Sophie's not too happy that we gotta do laundry. She wants to go to the beach. She's like, I know we're by the beach. I could smell it, and I know it. And I saw dogs on the beach, and I should be there. We'll be there, honey. We'll be there. So it's 11:45, and definitely starting to feel woo-woo. Laundry often knocks me out, and my head starts getting like woo, kind of delirious, and like I'm on a hallucinogenic. Like things start looking differently, and dizzy, a little bit dizzy. So I don't know if our head moves a lot when I'm doing laundry. Maybe all the head movement. So this will be it for the day. Usually when I do laundry, that's it. And this is when I know I need to stay down and immobile, horizontal. The next stage is usually confusion. That's when I get confusion. I'm trying to avoid that stage by staying down as soon as I'm done with laundry, because I'm feeling it. Hey guys, so we're at the wayside. Look at this gorgeous we're at a wayside right above, or a pullout right above Port Orford, and there it is. That's where we were. We're watching up here. There's the Port Orford heads. And here's the pullout. I don't know. We're going to stay here for now. There's that woman. I parked right by her. I didn't even know. She probably think I'm stalking her. I parked right by her. I didn't notice. That's the woman I met last night that I did the interview with. Look at this. It's gorgeous. Oh. A little windy, but we'll be alright. Alright. Okay. We're parked. The van's closed up and we're ready for bed. All's well that ends well. We have clean clothes and we took a shower. So no matter what's going on, when you have clean clothes and you took a shower, laundry and a shower is a good day on the road. So it was a good day. And Sophie's actually tired from all the errands and watching me go and come and go and drive and go and come and go and drive and go. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. What is this, day 4? I gotta count. Alright, I'm Kelly Doyle and this is Sophie Doyle. Thank you for watching and have a beautiful day.